Oh my god! Look at it!
Oh my god.
Oh no!
It's on.
Oh my god, please don't break, please don't break, please don't break.
Walk over this way. Really walk this way.
Come on. They was taking it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Got a fishy.
Swim in the bucket.
Try to get it from the back end.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look at this thing. Biggest fish I've ever seen.
I had it.
Was caught. Oh crap, I forgot about our lines. When you both out, both you guys' balls are gone. All you see is like a...
So I can touch those, right? I mean like...
They're not gonna like sting you or anything.
I feel like they are though.
There's teeth in there, but... Teeth? Yeah. Do you just want to cut the line? And let him get the hook out? Here, after you get the thing out, I want to take a picture real quick though.
It's almost out.
Well, wiggle it. You want to just pull it, yank it?
I mean, Jeffrey, it's not that easy. Come on, chew.
Oh, you got it.
Go.
You need it?
No.
Almost.
No. Maybe like pliers.
Yeah, I don't have it. Yes, I do. Hang on. Here.
Okay, now go home. Go to... No, go back. Wait, go back. Go home. I mean...
Over?
Yeah.
There.
Okay, options. Go down to picture. Now go over one to the right. There you go.
Oh.
My name's Nikki.
Train
Train 'em. 120.
Formula or goat's milk, and it says to hold them as little as possible because you stress them out. You hold them upright, Ellie. Look, hold them up. And when you feed them, that's how you feed them. You tip them up so they can't aspirate the food. And you feed them by a syringe
Little bunny
twice
tummy.
a day. And that's it.
Come here, Mom.
Part of the reason they die.
Let me stimulate it. Oh, rub
Oh
it.
my gosh, the stimulate coochie. The glow, I think.
Is
It was big!
Hey, I did it!
Oh!
I did it!
that with each one of them.
I'm still going!
They said you can either get
That was fun.
or
Give me that towel, Jeff.
This one?
No. Yes.
Oh my god, that little thing had a pee.
you do something to mark how they're...
Oh my god.
Oh, that little thing had a pee.
Don't get it all over it.
It's gonna get all over me.
You need to get a towel or something.
Yeah, I feel that would be good. What, looking at this makes you want to wash your hands?
And you gotta make sure to clean your hands and make sure you clean them
Yeah, I will.
every time.
God. It's just the slime. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth?
Come on.
Yeah, they're like letting it all build up on their lip. Like,
Yeah, the baby one ate better than you are. You're not hungry yet.
Aww.
Did it fall asleep? I don't know.
Well,
one can suffer.
Okay. Look! Are you praying? Are you praying now, Bonnie?
Come on, go in there with your brothers and your sisters.
My little Lucky's praying.
So the biggest one gonna eat. Or barely eat.
Here, stop. I hope this wasn't another one. Okay. Hey, good.
Did that one eat, Mom?
It barely ate. But that's the strongest
Up to
one.
now. Stop.
That one died. What are we going to do when they get